So you have your Amazon Seller Central account and you want to connect the CJ Dropshipping. This might be a little bit of trouble here, but let's see what we can actually do. So if you want to do this process, you don't want it to get banned. So the first thing to talk a little bit more is about the authorization and the API handshake. Let's go back here directly, for example, into CJ Dropshipping. What I wanted to do is to type the CJ Dropshipping. I will be signing in, and first of all I wanted to focus into the option that says authorization. So first thing to do is to sign in directly inside CJ Dropshipping, and once I am directly inside here, I'm going to go for Google, and here for example I go to be focusing from the same Gmail account, go for sign in. Or what I can do is to sign directly here from gmail.com. Let's go for the actual passcode. One of the most easiest way to get started between the CJ Dropshipping and the Amazon is by having, let's say, like a bridge between the two of them, and this bridge will be, in my case, will be Shopify. So directly here into Shopify, what I do is to go directly into the applications. I go from the Shopify App Store, the Shopify, sign it in, and just like that I will be now inside the actual element here. So basically what I need to do now is to just sign in really quick. And when you're signed in, usually it will be asking you to make the authorization of your store. So here I go from the option that says my CJ section. Here into the left section, it will be telling you where's the actual authorization element. So you're going to scroll a little bit in here into the upper side. And here usually have the store list. If you add a new store, let's say my dashboard here, Amazon will be requiring you to be the seller of the record. So CJ allows you to remove the branding and add your own, which is the only legal way to dropship here. So to connect that element, what I needed to do is to make sure that I am selling products that they do have my own brand and my own elements, but I don't want to connect Amazon or CJ Dropshipping directly here into Amazon. What I need to do is to focus directly from here, for example from Dropshipping. I will look out for a product that has, for example, the profit authorization of your own branding. So buy, sell your store. And basically what I need to do is to look out for a print-on-demand products, for example. This is the one that we'll be working on. Where it says, for example, print-on-demand. Let's say, for example, that I select this specific product. I select this element. I didn't want it to generate my own branding, right? So my own branding is to list this product from CJ Dropshipping, enter my store selection, select the actual category I'd like to add to, and I can start to change my brand pricing, the image and the videos, the actual description, hit into the option that says list now, and just like that, here into my products, it should be appearing to my specific print-on-demand products. Now, to go from Shopify into Amazon, the process actually is going to be really fast. For this, you want to focus only for applications and go from the Marketplace Connect. The Marketplace Connect can be helping you to sell from Amazon, eBay, and to Walmart. So here I will choose the option that says Amazon Connect, acknowledged and continue. Select the Amazon connection country you will be willing to be working on. Hit into the option that says Connect and hit into the option that says Sign In. To sign in, and your products from Shopify will be appearing now directly into your Amazon Seller Central, which all of those come directly from the CJ Dropshipping. So once that is done, you are officially linked, and if you don't see the Amazon into your list, you can check out the country region settings from the CJ profile, and it must match your Amazon Marketplace. So hopefully guys, it was a very useful information for you. Make sure that you have enabled the white labeling branding to stay 100% safe and go to the custom packaging for the CJ elements. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure that once again you have checked all of those elements directly into your actual product account when you sell or you're selling product from the CJ Dropshipping. just as a verification process so you don't get banned from Amazon Seller Center. Thank you once again for watching. See you guys next time.